Hello everyone. Now we are going to learn about cross multiplication method. हे कांतार आयकून म्हाका बरो उगडास आयलो. एक आशिल्लो भुरगो. बापूय सोंपल्या उपरांत आवय ताची खूब कोश्ट करून एकठांयताली गोठो जेवणाचो. शीक नासतना हो भुरगो 5वेक ते 9वेक असोच पावलो आदार घेवन CCEचो. 9वेक नापास जावन आकांत आयलो ताचेर सप्लिमेंटरी एग्जामीचो. पूण कोरोना व्हायरसाक लागून सप्लिमेंटरी एग्जाम कॅन्सल केल्ल्यान डायरेक्ट 10थाक पावलो म्हूण फुल्लो पोसकोटो ताच्या गोरवाचो. ऑनलायन टिचींग सुरू जाल्ल्यान भुरगो शिकचो म्हणून आवयन मोबायल घेवन दिलो गांठीक मारून दवरल्या आपल्या पयशांचो. पयलीं भुरगो नाचतालो आनी म्हणटालो डायरेक्ट 10थाक. आतां तोच भुरगो हातान मोबायल घेवन नाचता आनी म्हणटा डायरेक्ट चंद्रार. आनी हे सगळे नाच पळोवन ताची आवय बाबडी जाल्या सारकी बेजार. देखून आतां हांव म्हणटा भुरगो चंद्रार आवय बेजार. भुरगो चंद्रार आवय बेजार. हाचो आमी प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करतना वापर करतले. आरे भुरग्या, तुका तर चंद्रार वचपाची खोशी आसा जाल्यार बरो शिकून एक एस्ट्रोनॉट जावन वच मरे डायरेक्ट चंद्रार. आसा मरे तूं शिकूंक तयार? Our problem is find the solution of the pair of linear equations 4x plus 3y is equal to 10 and 5x negative 8y is equal to negative 11 by cross multiplication method. So let us solve this problem. Whenever we are solving the problem by cross multiplication method, first we have to see whether the given pair of linear equations are in standard form or not. If not, we have to convert them to standard form. Therefore, the first equation after converting to standard form will be 4x plus 3y negative 10 is equal to 0, where a1 value is 4, b1 value is 3 and c1 value is negative 10. Similarly, we have to convert the second equation. After converting it in standard form, we will get 5x negative 8y plus 11 is equal to 0, where a2 value will be 5, b2 value will be negative 8 and c2 value will be 11. So let's use that Burgo Chandrar Awe Bejar. I mean, since it is for the first equation, we'll write it as b1, c1, a1 and b1. Similarly, for the second equation, we will write it as b2, c2, a2, b2. So this will help us to retain the formula better. After substituting the values, we will get b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to negative 10, a1 is equal to 4 and b1 is equal to 3. Similarly, for the second equation, b2 is equal to negative 8, c2 is equal to 11, a2 is equal to 5 and b2 is equal to negative 8. Now we will write x, y and 1 in this manner. Since we are solving this problem by cross multiplication method, the values are to be cross multiplied. So we'll get x divided by b1 multiplied by c2, that is 3 multiplied by 11. Negative sign is from the formula. b2 multiplied by c1, that is negative 8 multiplied by negative 10, is equal to y divided by c1 multiplied by a2, that is negative 10 multiplied by 5. Negative c2 multiplied by a1, that is 11 multiplied by 4, is equal to 1 divided by a1 multiplied by b2, that is 4 multiplied by negative 8, negative a2 multiplied by b1, that is 5 multiplied by 3. In the next step, x divided by 3 multiplied by 11 will give you 33, negative. Negative 8 multiplied by negative 10 will give you positive 80 is equal to y divided by negative 10 multiplied by 5 will give you negative 50, negative 11 multiplied by 4 will give you 44 is equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by negative 8 will give you negative 32, negative 5 multiplied by 3 will give you 15. In the next step, x divided by 33 negative 80 will give you negative 47 is equal to y divided by negative 50 negative 44. Since both are having the same sign, we'll carry the same sign and we'll add the numbers. So we'll get negative 94 is equal to 1 divided by negative 32 negative 15. Since both are having the same sign, we'll write the same sign, that is negative, and add the numbers, we will get 47. Since x divided by negative 47 is equivalent to y divided by negative 94 and 1 divided by negative 47, we can write it as x divided by negative 47 is equal to 1 divided by negative 47 and y divided by negative 94 is equal to 1 divided by negative 47. The denominator negative 47 on the left hand side will become the numerator when it is taken on the right hand side. So negative at the numerator and negative at the denominator will be divided, and 47 ones are 47 ones are. Therefore x is equal to 1. Negative 94, which is at the denominator on the left hand side, will become the numerator when it is taken on the right hand side. Negative at the numerator and negative at the denominator will get divided, and 47 ones are 47 twos are will be 94. Therefore y is equal to 2. Since our main problem was find the solution, therefore our final answer will be the solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. I hope you have understood the cross multiplication method. Thank you. Have a nice time.